See.
No.
Missy, I can see.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Can see.
Is it good?
Can see.
Is it good?
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Who makes the best mac and cheese in the world?
Jimmy.
Oh, is that right? Is that right? What do you have to say about that? Huh?
Yeah.
Nothing?
Nothing.
That's right, you got Daddy's back, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Missy.